Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Classes. My dear students, today I am coming with the latest update and very important information of class 10th CBSE Board Academic 2021-2022 syllabus of mathematics. As we can see here, as compared to last year, again this year the syllabus has got changed. I mean to say that the last year, due to the pandemic of 2021, the syllabus has been reduced. But now this year the syllabus has not got reduced. So come, let's see what is the current syllabus of class 10th CBSE Board 2021-2022. Okay, see children, this is the syllabus what you are going to study for this academic year. Here we have total 7 units. First unit is number system, second unit is algebra, then coordinate geometry, trigonometry, mensuration, statistics and probability. And the marks is been distributed as follows, and total marks will be of 80 marks. Then coming back to unit 1, number system. In number system we have the chapter called as real numbers. Here this is the approximation time which the teachers are going to take to cover the syllabus. Done. This is real number and this is the portion and this is the syllabus what we are going to study in real numbers. Next, unit number 2, algebra. In that, the first chapter is polynomials. In polynomials, as you can see, this is the syllabus what we are going to study. And then pair of linear equations in two variables, and then quadratic equation, and then arithmetic progression, and then unit number 3, coordinate geometry. First chapter, lines, that is in 2 dimensions, that is coordinate geometry. And then unit 4, geometry. In this we can see the chapter called as triangles. In this we have a set of theorems, but only the theorems which you have to concentrate, which is given as proof. It means that you have to derive this theorem, you have to prove this theorem. Where we have got the called as a motivate, it means you no need to prove it. In exam, in your upcoming final board exam, they won't ask you to prove this statement, but we are going to use the condition of this statement while solving the problems of motivate 1. Done? Is this clear? Good. So this is a set of questions, and then we have a chapter called as circles. So these are the 2 theorems which we are going to prove in this chapter. Okay, and then we have the chapter called as constructions, and then trigonometry, unit 5. In trigonometry we have 3 subchapters, that is introduction to trigonometry, trigonometric identities, and heights and distances. This is also called as application of trigonometry. Okay, and next unit 6, mensuration. In this we have the chapters areas related to circles, surface area and volumes. Okay, and then unit 7, statistics and probability. I hope children you have all got the information what we are going to study for this academic year, that is 2021-2022. Okay, next, this is the pattern, this is the model design of the question paper. As we can see here, the total time duration will be of 3 hours and marks will be awarded 80. And this is the typology of the questions. Remembering, understanding, you get total marks 43, and if you consider the percentage weightage, it is 54. Next, applying condition, total 19 marks. Analyzing, evaluating, creating, for this around 80 marks. Total is 80. Okay, and children's, and the another 20 marks will be awarded for you from this main, that is when what the paper test you are going to write, that is assessment test, for that you get 10 marks, portfolio, for that you get 5 marks, and the lab practical book what you are going to maintain, for that you get 5 marks. So altogether it is 20 marks. I hope this video is very helpful for you all to start your preparation earlier, right? Good children. And one more thing I just like to tell you, that still if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe it and ask even your other friends also to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And one important note, the children who are interested to join for our coaching classes, Evershine Coaching Center, we have 2 branches in Bangalore, that is Tannery Road and Shivajinagar. Okay, if any students are interested to join for our coaching classes, the admissions are open and we have the limited seats. So as early as possible, if you are going to come and join the classes, it will be much benefited for you all. In the below description we have given all the details. Okay, you can just contact us for the given respective contact numbers. Okay, as once again I am repeating, the admissions are open for the 2022 batch of class 10th. I hope the video is very helpful and the information what we have provided is also very important for you all, right? Good children. And the PDF link of this video we are going to put in the below description, so please kindly follow that. Wish you all the best of luck. Share this video as much as possible with your all friends. Do not forget to click the like button and comment below how was this class and what video you want to make me next. Thank you. Keep watching. Take care. Bye bye.